Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Timothy Galloway. I am the CEO of Design Marketing Company. I am here to help you make money online. If you're struggling online, please reach out. Okay, reach out to me, and I will help you. Okay, if you already follow me or you're not following me, please follow me where you can give you knowledge and give you skills. If you like my content, please subscribe to my channel and please like the video. Okay, if this video is my content is helping you, please comment below and say this content, I like your content, and your content been helping me grow with my business. Okay, if you are ready to change your life and want a second income where you can work from home, and you got a laptop, you got a cell phone, and you got internet, you can do this business with the same thing I am doing. Okay, if you are ready, you are tired not having enough income to work, have enough income to do everything what you want to do. You don't have money to buy food, don't have money to take care of your whole family. This is where you need. Please let me know and comment down and let me know if you need help growing your business, and you're trying to do a YouTube channel and it's not working for you. Please let me know, and I will reach out to you and send some helpful, send some great information to you. Okay, if you like this content, please say you like this content, and I can make more content like this. Okay, and I see you my next video coming out. Okay, and I'll see you at the top. Okay, have a nice day, and I'll see you at the top. Thank you. Bye.